Welcome to this edition of the Deluxe Reading Dream build. To make the lamp, I begin with the shades. A packing tube and 3" by 5" piece of plexiglass are used. The plexiglass is wrapped around the tube to form the shade. The ends are glued together, then taped. The tape will remain on the ends. Now the lamp base is constructed. Two 7/8" by 3¼ pieces and three 1" by 1¼ pieces are used. The smallest pieces were cut from a jumbo popsicle stick, while the larger ones were cut from scrap basswood. Now the pole brackets and ring are put together. The brackets are made from cardboard and each end is turned under to wrap onto the ring. The ends are then glued down, then paper tape wrapped over them, securing the brackets. Here's how the ring is constructed. In making the ring, be sure that there is enough space to insert the lamp pole later. Next, the lamp pole is attached to the lamp base. The pole is a 1/4" square dowel cut to 5½ inches. Off camera, the lamp pole was painted treasure gold. Now the lampshade is constructed. A 3-inch by 5-inch piece of poster board and the same size muslin piece are wrapped around the plexiglass. One note, the muslin was cut slightly wider and longer to avoid frayed edges. The extra fabric will be turned under, giving the shade a finished look. A 1/4 inch is turned down along the top and on one side of the muslin, then fabric fusion is applied. Now vintage decorative trim from my stash is applied. The brackets are slid onto the lamp pole, then E6000 is glued underneath to secure the brackets, then paper tape is applied, securing them further. On to attaching the shade and the pole. Glue is applied to the bracket tops, then held into place to dry with clips. Off camera, the pole top and brackets were painted treasure gold. Felt was then glued to the bottom of the lamp base. These replicas of the lamps my mother had for many years turned out far better than I could have ever imagined. I know she would have loved them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.